Hi everyone, so today I want to showcase my custom 1/6 scale Kratos that I've built myself. So everything you see here is totally custom. I've done it myself because I was trying to find good Kratos in 1/6 scale, but I couldn't find. So today I want to share my process, how I built it, and then I'm gonna showcase and show you the details. So let's start with the head sculpt first. This head sculpt I bought from AliExpress. I don't know who's the original artist, but I just bought it from AliExpress and I painted it myself. So here you see the process. I'm just trying to make the skin shades first. I wanted to do like a proper skin color. Then on top of that I will do the ash gray color on top of it, so it looks realistic, like it was in the game. So here I'm trying to do the hair details. As you can see, the skin color is quite close where it should be. It looks like a normal skin color here, and then after this I will do a wash of gray color, so it will look like the ash color, how it looks in the game. And then I did the eyes, which were quite difficult to do because the scale is quite small, but we got through in the end. And then yeah, here you see the ash color. I did like a very thin wash. I mixed it with the water, and then yeah, and then I took off the excess with the foam. And now I'm trying to blend in with the beard here, with the skin color, so it doesn't look like very sharp. And now I'm doing the red color details on his head. So you enjoy the process. Anything you don't understand, you can just comment below and then I will answer it for you. So here's the head complete. Now with the body. For the body I'm using TB League M34 body, so it's seamless. And then I am using oil pastels to like paint on top of the body. You can use any oil pastels, they should work fine. Yeah, so I'm trying to, the base is like white color, and then now I'm using like a reddish orange color to do the details on the body. And now I'm using the cotton to like make the neck thicker a bit, because the Kratos neck is thicker, to fit it more perfectly with the head. So here's the result after I painted the body and the head. So now I'm gonna briefly show you how I did the armor. I used genuine leather to do the armor, and some parts are fabric as well. Yes, so I had to find like very thin type of genuine leather because the armor is quite intricate, and some parts I had to redo because first time it wasn't looking very good. Yeah, so I'm just using the glue to put on the armor, and here is the final result. Okay, so let's talk about the armor. The armor is made out of genuine leather, but you see the weave pattern here is carbon fiber material. I had to repaint it brown color. And the weapons are God of War themed weapon keychains from AliExpress. They are very easy to find. I had to repaint some parts to make it look realistic. And then the Mimir is 3D printed. I had to repaint it myself. So I bought like an STL file for the Mimir, like a statue, and I had to rescale it, and then I just trimmed some part of it, and then I got to paint it. It looks very convincing and realistic, and the golden details are painted on top of genuine leather. So armor on his hand is made out of genuine leather. I used two colors of genuine leather, and I glued a miniature chain on top of it. And the other parts of his armor are also made out of genuine leather. And as you can see, I made the belts and buckles are made out of clay as well, and then I just repainted them. So the base is also custom. I used paper clay to make like rocks, and then I glued them on top of the base, and then I painted them brown color. And then I used diorama snow and diorama grass for the effect on top. So the Blades of Chaos are also a keychain I bought from AliExpress, exactly same as the X.